Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Employment News for BE Tech Mechanical Engineers 13 July 2022. In this video, you can watch job opportunities in government sector, private sector and opportunities in apprenticeship training. This week, in this video, we have included 6 government jobs, 6 private jobs and 2 apprenticeship training. Most of the opportunities are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. In this, first, government jobs. In government job, first one is management trainee at the Fertilizers and Chemicals Travancore Limited, Kochi. The Fertilizers and Chemicals Travancore Limited FACT, a multi-divisional central PSU and pioneers in the manufacture and marketing of fertilizer, chemical and caprolactam, with activities spread over manufacturing, engineering, design and consultancy, fabrication, etc. FACT was incorporated in the year of 1943 as the first large-scale fertilizer plant in India at Udyogmandal, Kochi, Kerala. Candidates appeared for final year or final semester exam and awaiting results are prescribed. Essential qualifications specified for post may also apply. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Number of vacancies are 13. Qualification required is bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering with 60% of marks. Postcode is 9. Pay and allowances is 20,600 to 46,500 at E2 grade plus DA plus HRA plus other benefits. Age limit is 26 years. Application fee is 1,180 for general and 590 for SC, ST, PWBD, ESM or internal candidates. Selection process. Based on the test, group discussion and personal interview, the test is proposed to be held at Delhi, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Trivandrum, Kochi and group discussion or personal interview will be held at Udyogmandal, Kochi. For test 1, 60 questions on management aptitude, general English and general knowledge. For test 2, 60 questions on technical aptitude or subject knowledge in the respective discipline. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification as shown on screen. Interested candidates are to register and fill application on website as shown on screen on or before 29 July 2022. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. If you are interested to apply for this post, you can visit our video's description. From there, you can find these links. Next job is executive at ONGC Petro Additions Limited, OPAL, Dahej. ONGC Petro Additions Limited, OPAL, is a multi-billion joint venture company was incorporated in 2006. OPAL was promoted by Oil and Natural Gas ONGC and co-promoted by GAIL and GSPC. ONGC Petro Additions Limited is one of the largest integrated petrochemical complexes in South Asia, located in the port town of Dahej, Gujarat. The complex is equipped with world-class technology with any annual capacity of 2.0 million tons of wide portfolio of petrochemicals. Post name is Executive. Upper age limit is 28 years. Annual CTC is 6 to 8.5 lakhs. Experience required for the post is minimum 1 year. Main responsibility. The incumbent shall be responsible for safe and round-the-clock operation of utility plant. Monitor process on an hourly basis to ensure process norms and maintained as per plan. Directed the supervision of all process personnel to ensure the highest level of productivity, safety, evaluate process metrics to develop understanding of trends in productivity, etc. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can be seen at the website as shown on screen. Industrial eligible candidates are required to apply online by using the link as shown on screen on or before 28th July 2022. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is some last date of jobs already informed in previous videos. Junior Executive Air Traffic Controller at Airports Authority of India's last date is 14 July 2022. Scientist B, Mechanical at the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO's last date is 14 July 2022. Aeronautical Officer at the Ministry of Civil Aviation through UPSC's last date is 14 July 2022. Mechanical Engineer at Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited HPCL's last date is 22nd July 2022. I will provide last video's link in my description. That's all for government jobs. Next is private jobs. In private job, first one is Mechanical Design Engineer 1 at Honeywell Automation India Limited, Madurai. Honeywell International Corporation is an American MNC and it primarily operates in 4 areas of business: aerospace, building technologies, performance materials and technologies, and safety and productivity solutions. Honeywell Automation India Limited has more than 3,000 employees across India. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year of experience. Job ID is HRD 171309. Job description: understanding part specification, materials, chemistry relation, and performance compliance assessment for products and components. Responsible for the evaluating, management and control of compliance data once received using Honeywell standard tools. Integrate with the support SBG product state wardship compliance MOS etc. Role is Mechanical Design Engineer 1. Industry type is design. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. If you are interested to apply for this post, you can visit our video's description. From there you can find these links. By clicking these links, you will redirect to a direct website of the company. From there you can apply directly. Next job is Mechanical Engineer at Hero MotoCorp Limited, NOIDA. About the company: Hero MotoCorp Limited is formerly Hero Honda, is an Indian multinational motorcycle and scooter manufacturer headquartered in New Delhi. The market capitalization of the company was 59,600 crores. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year of experience. Salary offered are 1,50,000 to 2,25,000 per annum. Roles and responsibilities: we are looking for a fresher BTech mechanical engineer. Candidate should have exposure of the mechanical engineering products or tool, should have exposure of the calculation of tools measurement. Role is procurement or purchase engineer. Industry type is automobile. Function area is procurement and supply chain. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next job is Graduate Engineer Trainee at RANE Engine Valves Limited, Hyderabad. RANE Engine Valve Limited is a part of RANE Group. Companies involved in the manufacturing of valves and valve train components for various engine applications. The company is headquartered in Chennai and has 5 manufacturing locations with one plant in Chennai and 2 in Hyderabad and 1 in Tumkur plant in Tiruchirappalli. It is the largest manufacturer of engine valves in India with a 30% of market share. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 year experience. Salary offered are 1 lakh to 1,50,000 per annum. Roles and responsibilities: supervisor role, manufacturing department, BTech with mechanical or metallurgy engineering freshers required. Role is mechanical engineer. Industry type is automobile. Function area is production. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next job is Mechanical Engineer Internship at Philips India, Pune. Philips is a Dutch multinational conglomerate corporation that was founded in 1891. Philips was formerly one of the largest electronics companies in the world, currently focused on the area of health technology and other divisions being diversified. It is currently employs around 80,000 people across 100 countries. Experience required for the post is fresher or 2023 batch or 2024 batch students. Job ID is 461972. Roles and responsibilities: requirements, design, implementation, test and integration of modular subsystem in accordance with the higher level architectural requirement and design specification. Ensuring that the proposed design would have the safety, reliability and quality features built in. Ensuring that there is a proper documentation as per standards for the development design. ensuring that the design modules meet the product certification requirements, etc. Role is mechanical engineering internship, categories electronics industry, function area is production manufacturing. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is graduate engineering training at JBM Group, Gurgaon. JBM Group is a $2.2 billion global conglomerate with operations in more than 25 locations across 10 countries throughout the world. We have been able to create long-term value for all our stakeholders for nearly 4 decades given our relentless focus towards enhancing technology, enabling innovation and empowering people with a team of more than 25,000 JBMites. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0-year experience. Salary offered at 2,25,000 to 2,50,000 per annum. Role is mechanical engineer. Industry type is automobile. Function area is production manufacturing. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the deal notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next job is design engineer at JSK Industries Private Limited, SILVASA. JSK is a professionally managed company in power transmission sector involved in executing contracts for national and international power sector utilities and contractors. JSK is among the largest conductors manufacturing companies in India. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year of experience. Salary offered are 1,50,000 to 1,75,000 per annum. Roles and responsibilities: knowledge of AutoCAD software and come up with creative solutions. Work with other team members and departments to set timelines, budgets, and assist in making decisions. Knowledge of industry, engineering, math, and material ability to analysis data, etc. Role is design engineer. Industry type is electrical equipment. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the deal notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. That's all for private jobs. Next is apprenticeship training. In apprenticeship training, first one is graduate apprenticeship training at HINDUSTAN AERONAUTICS LIMITed, KANPUR. HCL is an Indian state-owned aerospace and defense company is governed under the management of Indian Ministry of Defense. The Transport Aircraft Division at Kanpur was established in 1960 and has core competencies in manufacturing, maintenance, modification, and upgrade of light transport aircraft and trainer aircraft for both domestic and international market. Candidates who have passed in the year of 2020, 21, and 2022 are only eligible to apply. Age limit is 26 years as on 30th July 2022. Stipend as per government rules. Selection procedure. Initially, candidates will shortlist based on the final mark list. The shortlisted candidates should go through a document verification process. How to apply? Interested eligible candidates must register themselves in the NATS portal of MHRD by using link as shown on screen. Detailed advertisement and application form are available at the website as shown on screen. Interested eligible candidates can send their application to the address mentioning in the advertisement on or before 30th July 2022. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is some last date of apprenticeship training already informed in previous videos. Graduate apprentice at Central Manufacturing Technology Institutes, Banglore's last date is 28th July 2022. I will provide last video's link in my description. That's all for the details of this job opportunity video. For the next employment news video, please subscribe our channel MECH Engineering World. Please like, subscribe and comment on our videos. Thank you.